So, hello everyone. Today we have a job update from Deloitte and it is a full stack developer role. So, for this role, you'll be working in Bangalore. Now, let's look into the qualifications that is required here. You need to have like 0 to 2 years of experience for this role, and the education qualification that is required here is BE, BTech, that is undergraduate, and MTech. And you should have the knowledge of data structures, algorithm, and you should have a excellent problem solving skill and the experience in Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, and SQL. You should have demonstrated your technical capability in developing the application using any of the industry standard databases like RDBMS or NoSQL. And also, you need to have the experience in JavaScript dialects like ES6 TypeScript and experience in writing reusable, testable, and efficient code. You need to design and implement the low latency, high availability, and performant application. Then you should implement the security and data protection best practices and hands-on experience in React.js, Node.js, FastAPI frameworks, experience building the application on the cloud platform like AWS, Azure, GCP, and experience writing unit test cases using Jest, Mocha, PyTest frameworks. You should be comfortable working with the agile methodology and eager to learn and grow. So you should actually know all these things to apply for this role. Before applying for this role, please change your resume according to this job role, because here are few of the keywords such like data structures, algorithms, and Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, and SQL. And here are something like JavaScript dialects like ES6 TypeScript, and there are something like React.js, Node.js, Fast API frameworks, AWS, Azure, GCP, just Mocha, test, and Agile methodology. So you need to add all these keywords in your resume before applying for this role. You can just click on apply now here and proceed to the application and apply for this role. It is very simple. You need to create your account. You need to fill in your details and submit the application. And if you get shortlisted, you will get email regarding the job. So I think this video is very informative, and if you have any other doubts, you can let me know in the comment section. I will try to help you out. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it to your friends. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.